everyone. With this video, we will demonstrate how to adjust vibration intensity in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. To begin, swipe up on the home screen. Tap on Settings. Tap on Sounds and Vibration. Tap on Vibration Intensity. Here you're provided with 3 options to customize: incoming call, notifications, and touch interaction. Move the slider towards left to decrease the intensity, or move it towards right to increase the intensity. The high intensity of the vibration can be heard. So use these steps to adjust the vibration intensity in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Hope this video was a great help. Thank you for watching.